How do I reset my simple human trash can?
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be guiding you through how to reset your simple human trash can. This could be necessary if your trash can's lid isn't opening or closing correctly, or if it's not responding as expected to motion sensors. Don't worry, it's a simple process and we'll go through it step by step.
What you'll need.
To reset your simple human trash can, you'll need the following items. 1. Your simple human trash can. We're assuming that's a given. 2. A dry cloth. You'll want to make sure your trash can is clean before you start, just to make sure that any sensors aren't being blocked by debris.
Cleaning the sensor.
The first step in resetting your trash can is to clean the motion sensor. This is often located near the lid of the trash can. 1. Make sure the trash can is empty and then use your dry cloth to gently clean the sensor. 2. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as this could potentially damage the sensor.
Resetting the trash can.
Once your sensor is clean, you can move on to the actual reset process. 1. If your trash can is powered by an AC adapter, unplug it from the wall. If it's battery operated, remove the batteries. 2. Let the trash can sit for about 5 minutes. This allows the internal systems to fully reset. 3. After waiting, plug the adapter back in or replace the batteries.
Testing the trash can.
After you've reset your trash can, it's important to test it to make sure everything is working as it should. 1. Wave your hand over the sensor to see if the lid opens and closes properly. 2. If your trash can isn't responding correctly, you may need to repeat the reset process. If problems persist, it may be necessary to contact Simple Human's customer service. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to reset your simple human trash can. We hope this guide has been helpful and your trash can is now functioning as it should. Remember, regular cleaning and care can help keep your simple human trash can in top shape. Thanks for watching.